Doors closing. Please stand clear of the doors. 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 Welcome aboard the ATL SkyTrain. Please hold on. This train is departing. Next stop is ATL West Hartsfield, VIP, and Gateway Center Hotel. Welcome aboard the ATL SkyTrain. Please hold on. This train is departing. Next stop is ATL West Hartsfield, VIP, and Gateway Center Hotel. Welcome aboard the ATL SkyTrain. Please hold on. This train is departing. Next stop is ATL West Hartsfield, VIP, and Gateway Center Hotel. Welcome aboard the ATL SkyTrain. Please hold on. This train is departing. Next stop is ATL West Hartsfield, VIP, and Gateway Center Hotel.
I see them. They cute though. They fit home.
I was saying, oh, my truck fell
We are approaching ATL West Parking, CITC, and Gateway Center Hotel. Please hold on as this train is stopping. Please have all your belongings and watch the step as you exit. Thank you for your Atlanta International Airport. This stop services ATL West Parking, CITC, and Gateway Center Hotel. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. Airport and MARTA passengers remain on hold to the airport station. Next stop services ATL West Parking, CITC, and Gateway Center Hotel. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. Airport and MARTA passengers remain on board for the airport station. This stop services ATL West Hartsfield, CITC, and Gateway Center Hotel. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. Airport and MARTA passengers remain on board for the airport station. This stop services ATL West Parking, CITC, and Gateway Center Hotel. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. Doors closing. Please stand clear of the doors. Doors closing. Please stand clear of the doors. Doors closing. Please stand clear of the doors. Doors closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
So we both gonna be in bed.
Welcome aboard the ATL SkyTrain. Please hold on. This train is departing. Next stop is Airport Station. Welcome aboard the ATL SkyTrain. Please hold on. This train is departing. Next stop is Airport Station. Welcome aboard the ATL SkyTrain. Please hold on. This train is departing. Next stop is Airport Station. Welcome aboard the ATL SkyTrain. Please hold on. This train is departing. Next stop is Airport Station.
That's because she wanted me to take her little picture. I took a little picture. I tried to go find my man.
I found you while you were taking pictures. If you don't lie, make it sound good. Were you not taking pictures when I found y'all?
Yeah, but I took to go to the store. I already looked mad. I think I want what you want.
Well, I said Mom didn't look too tired. She just said she woke up from a 3-hour nap.
I can see you already on the other side. As soon as you see her, you just disappeared. Twice in 10 minutes. I'm sorry. That'll upset anybody. I'm sorry. However you want to put it. Walk off.
But it's like where I'm going.
You tell me. I guess I don't know. Might have been leaving on her. I don't know what you're saying.
We are approaching Airport Station. Please hold on. This train is stopping. Thank you for choosing Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. We are approaching Airport Station. Please hold on. This train is stopping. Thank you for choosing Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. We are approaching Airport Station. Please hold on. This train is stopping. Thank you for choosing Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. Please have all your belongings and watch your step. This is Airport Station. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. We wish you safe and security. This is airport station. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey. This is airport station. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit.